find sausages here that you won't find anywhere else in Central Oregon. It's a family-run business with 3 generations behind the counter. The Garcia family started Bangers and Brews in 2016 in Bend, and they've taken inspiration from their culture of Argentinian foods.
We describe it as an extension of our family. Everybody can come in, everybody knows everybody. With my dad, I got little kids that come celebrate their birthdays here, and they call him Grandpa.
And it's your daughter who's here?
So I got both of my daughters.
Yeah, right.
And I got my wife, and I have my dad, and then my mom makes cheesecakes.
What I think of when I think of Bangers and Brews, and that is your chimichurri sauce.
Yes.
Can you tell me more about that and why that's such a fixture on your menu?
When we started to do the sausage restaurant, chimichurri was something that's been in the family for generations.
You can also take their chimichurri to go to add to your barbecue or whatever you want at home. More of an appetizer, it's chimichurri and bread. Can you walk me through kind of the background of chimichurri with Argentinians, and tell me what's in it?
Chimichurri is something that sits on a table in Argentina like ketchup and mustards do here. So on every steak, on every red meat that you eat, everybody always puts chimichurri on top of it. Mm-hmm. When we make it here, it's pretty much cilantro, olive oil, garlic, some spices, some lemon, and a lot of love.
That's good.
The touch of love's got to be there.
Love is there, and it sounds like that's, a family recipe of yours. What am I dipping with? Is this just kind of like a standard breadstick?
Yeah, it's just our standard buns that we use for the sausages.
Oh, it's the bun?
Yes, the bun that we use for sausages is a baguette bread that we do locally.
From duck to rabbit to rattlesnake to vegetarian options, there are plenty of sausages to choose from.
They're not by far my bigger sellers, but they drive in customers because a lot of folks come in, they see rattlesnake on our menu, they see wild boar, they see the elk.
It's unique.
I got kids that come in that are like 10 years old and they'll get a rattlesnake, and I tell them now you can go to school and tell all your friends you had a rattlesnake.
There you go.
Yeah. And on top of it, the flavors are amazing. Everything that's on the menu here, we went through it all, we tasted it all, we wanted to make sure everything tasted really good.
Yeah, there's a lot of flavor out of this one. I mean, I'm tasting the jalapenos now, but the sauerkraut combined with the chimichurri, that's delicious. And the smoked meat part of it.
Right, it all comes together nicely.
The name Bangers and Brews probably makes you think of the bangers and mash dish, which they also have as well.
The flavor that we want to put into it, that's why we threw the caramelized onions into it. And then the homemade gravy that we make, that the gravy is made out of beef and onion gravy.
Okay.
And it just comes together really nice. I actually had folks from England told me that knocked it out of the ballpark.
Mac and cheese is also an option. You'll also find a wide selection of brews, many are local, and one with a special tap handle.
Because of the style of food, the richness of the flavors, to be able to have a beer with it. And then we try to carry all local craft beers.
This one here that I have in front of me is from Van Henyen, and then you have the Argentinian flag as the tap handle. What's the deal with that?
So the Van Henyen is their Hell's lager. In Argentina, there's a lager called Quilmes.
That's nice.
And then we talked to Van Henyen and talked to them about doing a private label as an Argentinian style lager, and they said, yeah. So now we carry their Hell's lager, and then we carry their traditional IPA.
Their menu offers more than sausages. Had a fun name for these. You called them...
Oh, we call that adult candy.
Adult candy, yeah, which made me chuckle.
When people try them and their eyes roll to the back of their head, and yeah, it's just a little bit of bacon, a little bit of love on it. And now we have a lot of folks coming in buying gorgonzola fries, and then they'll buy a sausage a la carte, and just put it on top of the bacon gorgonzola fries.
Trying different combinations is part of the fun. How many sausages do you have on hand in your lineup at any given time?
Mostly it's around 19. And then usually with the toppings, the sauces, the different ways to build it, there's literally over 1 million ways so you can eat here without eating the same thing twice.
You'll be treated to an experience where you feel like family.
With the love, with my dad's very hospitable, and that's part of the 5 stars that we get and all that. The food is part of it, and the family part of it, and the fact that we make everybody feel at home.
You can find Bangers and Brews on Bend's West Side. For another edition of Taste This, I'm Emily Kirk.